Hello, this is a tutorial on completing the Extended Enrollment Agreement. An agreement is another word for a contract, and we will use this contract to extend your I-20. On the first page of the Extended Enrollment Agreement, please fill in your personal information. Please make sure that this information is current and accurate. It is very important to enter your full name into the name field. Please make sure to answer every question. Otherwise, we cannot process the Extended Enrollment Agreement. On the next part of the Extended Enrollment Agreement, you will select the campus in which you study, as well as the schedule that you currently attend. The next part of the Extended Enrollment Agreement is probably the most important part. Here, you will select the program you will study in, as well as the dates you wish to extend. When selecting the dates, please make sure to mark every session that you wish to extend. If you would like to extend from June 1st, 2020 until November 22, 2020, you must select every session in between those dates. In the final part of the Extended Enrollment Agreement, we require that you upload a new bank statement. The bank statement cannot be older than 6 months, and it must have enough funds to support you for the sessions you wish to extend. After you provide the bank statement, we ask that you sign the contract. Please note that you will have to sign the contract twice.